guys, this part 2. And I made a part 2 because that's really so. I forget what's the tangle again. But this part 2. No!
Anong no? Inaano ko mo dyan?
Oh, thank you.
Let's go. Kalat ko bayo ko.
No, I'm gonna go mining.
Oh, ito. Oo. Oo. Ang bait ng kabayo ko. Ang pulit nito, Sisi. Nakan, Sisi, sakay na dito.
Ay, ayoko. Mag-ano ako eh. Magmamining ako. Nagmamining ako. Ayan. Magmamining ako, guys. Magmamining na ako. Wait lang, mamaya lang. Titingnan ko kung may chest. Sana meron. Tapos pinaghirapan kong umakyat dito.
Oh, tignan mo, tignan mo.
Ayaw nga, wala. So, magmamining na lang ako kasi walang chest.
Okay, katulong ka.
Red, ayoko sumama. Magmamining ako, ha?
Sira ang pick-up. Sira ka.
Red, I need light. Where are you?
Nasa kay kabayo ko.
Red, where are you? I cannot see you anywhere.
Dito agad ako.
You didn't wait me? Red, pasakay ako mamaya.
Bakit? Yung tulit mo.
I cannot see anything because you left me alone.
Kaya ko ito, bandit.
Oh, these all the things I got. Where's the gold?
Good daddy.
I have some gold, but it disappeared. Oh, I don't want this. Oh, I'm in full inventory, so I'm gonna go. I cannot see anything. Can you help me? Oh, there, I found the way. Oh.
Hanggang 13.
What is... Oh, the train is here! But I don't care. Oh my gosh, I can buy some. Look! Red. Look! Red. My money.
Gold. Ang 60 sa akin.
How to buy a bag? I want some bag, Red. Red. I want some bag. Where I can buy some bag? I want some bag.
Pero si.
Gusto ko nga ng bag. Ito ba yung mga bag, Red? Bye. Sige, tara na. Asan ka?
Ano tayo pasok na? Bye-bye.
Where are you going? There's no chest in there. Why are you gonna go up? Is this where the exit is?
Ito kabayo?
Do you want me to kill that?
Doon tayo. Kesa na ito to. Kesa na sila. Bobby. Uy, puso na naman pumasok.
Wait. Oh, there.
Dito. Ang laki.
Where?
Ang laki ng cactus.
Oh my gosh.
Ang laki, Nay.
Oh, what is that sound?
Yung kabayo.
Faster! The train is gonna get away. I have to kill that. Oh. Faster!
Shotgun ako eh. Shotgun tayo. Tessa, so patay natin yung bear. Tessa.
No thank.
Patay natin ito ah. Kasi huwag kang papatay ko yung bear. Masakit yung buwawag. Sabi sa babae yung mag-bear.
Where's the train? I cannot literally see it.
Kasi kapitayan tayo. Don't therapy ko ba? Wow! Ipulin mo, Sesa. Ipulin na kabayo ko. Nibilin ko na lang ito eh. 1,000! Mahal. Bago yung napagod.
Tararantan.
Saan tayo natin dito yan?
The train is already gone.
Tagayin mo pa ako dito.
The train is already gone. What are you doing?
Pagod. Nandito agad tayo.
See, the train is already gone.
May aso.
Where?
Ayun.
I cannot see it anywhere. Is that it? Oh, I see some horse. It's probably
Patay na yung aso.
someone. I see some horses and I shot it. So they ran away. Yeah, they ran away. Why your face like that? Red, 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 come, come, come. I'm gonna show you something.
Oh, battery ako. Ano? Oh, di ko nabuwasan sa balik kita ba rin? Panis tayo.
No, we're not police. The train is so slow. Where's the train?
Kita.
Where is the train? I cannot see the train.
Kaya kita hirap.
Can you see the train?
Ay, bawo. Halika po.
Blah, blah, blah.
Pulis ka po. Siya, huwag ka din kita. Abangla ka rin train.
Ay, oo nga.
Di ba sa nabatay last time?
Oh, bye. This is too long. I'm gonna make a part 2.